Hello viewers, many people actually want to buy tablets for online teaching, so they are asking me which tablet will be best for them. In order to pick any tablet for online classes, you must know which things you want in a tablet. For example, if you want note-taking experience, in that case you must buy a tablet above 30,000 price point. And if you want to buy Android tablet, in that case you can buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, or you can buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, or you can buy Oneplus Pad 3. If you are confused between Tab S10 FE and Oneplus Pad 3, in that case I think Oneplus Pad 3 is better. Note-taking experience is better on Samsung tablets, but overall if you look at the processor, display quality, display size, in that case Oneplus Pad 3 has a clearer edge. So if you consider all the aspects, in that case I think OnePlus Pad 3 is a better option for you. The best price for OnePlus Pad 3 is above 40,000 rupees, maybe 41 to 42,000 rupees during sale. But if you are inclined to buy Samsung tablets, in that case I should suggest you to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus because of the larger display and better note-taking experience. Similarly, many people are in confusion whether they should buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 over iPad Air M3. I think Tab S9 is a very good tablet. In this case also, if you want to take notes on your iPad or your tablet, in that case Tab S9 is a very good tablet, but overall I think iPad Air M3 is better, be it software update, display quality, processor, etc. And once you start using any iPad, you will feel that iPad is much superior in terms of software updates, video rendering, and also in processing and day-to-day tasks. So if you have a budget of 40 to 42,000 rupees, in that case I would suggest you to buy iPad Air M3, because you will get regular software updates and also multimedia consumption will be very good on this iPad. You will feel no regret after buying. Now if you have a tight budget of 15,000 or less, in that case you can consider OnePlus Pad Lite under 13,000 rupees for the 8GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The battery backup of OnePlus Pad Lite is excellent. However, I did not like the display, but considering the price point you can manage the display. Many users are in confusion whether there is any lag while playing YouTube videos. I must assure you that there is no problem whatsoever in playing videos in youtube.com. Some people want to buy iPad 11th generation and they are asking me about the best price. The best price for iPad 11th generation is 28 to 29,000 rupees. If you get this pricing in Holi sale, you can definitely buy iPad 11th generation, but not above 30,000 price point. So these are some of the questions that people have asked me, and I tried my level best to answer these questions. If you have any questions in your mind, you can ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.